the quiet twilight hours, when the world hushes to a whisper and the stars begin their celestial dance, there lies a potent time for transformation. This is the realm of Neville Goddard's one-night manifestation method, a mystical journey where desires take flight on the wings of imagination and belief. Neville Goddard proposed a tantalizing idea that a single night holds the key to unlocking the doors of reality and reshaping it to our will. His teachings, rooted in the law of assumption, suggest that what we firmly believe and assume to be true molds the very fabric of our existence. The one-night manifestation method is not merely a practice, it's an art form. It's the art of painting your reality with the brushstrokes of your deepest intentions and emotions. As the night unfolds, you become an artist and your canvas is the universe. The process begins with visualization. Picture your desires with such intensity and detail that they seem to come alive before your very eyes. Engage all your senses in this vivid tableau and let the scene play out in the theater of your mind. This is no idle daydream. It's a deliberate act of creation. Next, you must embody the emotions of your fulfilled wishes. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the triumphant satisfaction, as if your dreams have already come to pass. This emotional embodiment is the heartbeat of your desires, pumping life into your visions. As the night deepens, you whisper affirmations and switchwords to yourself, mantras of success and achievement that echo in the silent chambers of your subconscious. These affirmations and switchwords are not just words. They are the incantations that bind your intentions to reality. Check out book Switchwords for Financial Miracles by Monika Pavlickova. And then, in the delicate space between wakefulness and sleep, you enter a state akin to slumber, known as the state akin to sleep, SATS. In this liminal zone, your conscious and subconscious minds converge, and you become extraordinarily receptive to the seeds of your desires taking root. This is the one-night manifestation method, a ritual of personal alchemy where you assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and release your attachment to the outcome. It's a dance with the universe, a sacred communion where you and the cosmos co-create the morrow. So as you lay your head down tonight, remember that you hold the philosopher's stone of manifestation within you. With Neville Goddard's wisdom as your guide, embark on this enchanting journey of transformation. For in the hallowed sanctuary of one night, you have the power to turn things around and manifest the life you envision. Embrace the night, dear dreamer, for it is your canvas and you are the artist. Let your imagination soar and watch as the universe conspires to turn your dreams into reality. The power of self-concept in manifestation. Goddard's teachings extend beyond a single method. They encompass a profound understanding of self-concept. You're not just manifesting random wishes, you're manifesting reflections of who you believe you are. Your self-concept is the lens through which you view the world, and it shapes the realities available to you. By transforming your self-concept, you unlock doors to new possibilities. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, not as a distant dream, but as a present reality. Feel it in your bones, in the very fiber of your being. When you change the way you view yourself, the universe conspires to align with this new vision. There are numerous success stories of people who have used the one-night manifestation method. The method has been widely popularized through various online platforms, workshops and courses, and many individuals have reported remarkable results. Here are a few examples. Financial success. Andrew, a young professional struggling to make ends meet, used the one-night manifestation method to manifest a significant increase in his income. Within a few weeks, he received a promotion and a substantial raise, allowing him to pay off his debts and live a more comfortable life. Relationship success. Elizabeth, who had been single for years, used the method to manifest her ideal partner. She visualized herself in a loving relationship, feeling the emotions of happiness and fulfillment. A few months later, she met her soulmate, and they are now happily married. Personal growth. A person struggling with self-doubt and low self-esteem used the one-night manifestation method to manifest confidence and self-love. They visualized themselves feeling empowered and worthy, feeling the emotions of joy and gratitude. Within a few weeks, they noticed a significant shift in their mindset, and they are now more confident and self-assured. These success stories are just a few examples of the many individuals who have used the one-night manifestation method to manifest their desires.